Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. Sony recently has launched a Sony Xperia 1 Mark 4 device which is going to be coming with an incredibly high price tag but with good features. So in this video we will be discussing the top 5 features of the Xperia Mark 1 that may convince you to purchase the smartphone. So starting from the design of the Xperia Mark 1 4, it's looking identical to its last generation Mark 3 and Mark 2 devices. You don't see any improvement in terms of the design, like we have the same camera layout, same front display, and also you are going to see similar kind of matte finish on the Sony Xperia Mark 4 device. The most important feature Sony has never let go of its smartphone is the 3.5mm headphone jack port. While other companies are practically abandoning it, this is where Sony sets themselves apart from other companies. The second feature that is going to be really important is the cameras for the Sony, because this phone is going to be mostly focusing on cameras. Well, Sony has made some adjustment in the 1 Mark 4 camera sector. Since Sony smartphones are known for their camera setup, the camera has received two important modifications. First, it retained the same configuration as previous with 12 megapixel of primary, 12 megapixel of ultra wide, and a 12 megapixel of telephoto camera. However, the zoom camera now provides 3.5 to 5.2 times steepless continuous optical zoom capability. So what's more interesting is that all rear camera now features a 4K at 120 frames per second. With flawless real-time object tracking, real-time multi-framing stacking allows you to offer a large dynamic range. For Sony has finally improved its selfie camera also, which may have slipped under the radar. We believe it is significant. It now has a 12 megapixel of Sony sensor capable of filming 4K HDR footage, which is amazing. Sony has maintained its design consistency, and the Xperia 1 Mark 4 maintained the iconic Xperia form, a water-resistant smartphone with a good grip. Moving forward, Sony is the first ever company that has introduced a 4K display on its smartphone, and the Mark 1 4 will also be coming with a 4K display. Also, it's going to be having a 4K 120Hz display, which is amazing, which means that it will provide you highest image quality and content consumption experience will be great. Sony claims that the 4K display provide an impressive viewing experience. Although Sony has provided the 4K OLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate, but its aspect ratio is 21:9, which is definitely going to be a little bit slimmer when it compared to the iPhone 13 Pro Max, because they have a wider body. Internally, Sony has not compromised as well. It will be powering with a latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 CPU, a 5000 milliampere battery with a 30 watt of fast charging. It can charge your device in 50% in just 30 minutes. It also has a fast wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, USB power delivery, and upgraded back panel with a Gorilla Glass Victus protection. The most important part is that the retail packaging does not include any USB cable inside, which is kind of an annoying thing because paying a $1,600 of a price tag and companies don't provide a charger and a cable. Guys, that's all the latest news coming for the Sony Xperia 1 Mark 4. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.